Welcome to Fort Myers Beach. In this video, I'm going to be doing a real estate tour here on the north end of Fort Myers Beach, starting by the Matanzas Pass Bridge, and here is Margaritaville. And I'm going to show you a few of the luxury listings that's available here on the north end. And it's actually the only houses currently available at the north end as far as real estate goes. So I'll do a few tours of different houses here and then show you around on the north end here. All right, I started off on Estero Blvd right by Margaritaville, turned down Crescent Street. We'll be heading down towards Old San Carlos Blvd. And here is Nervous Nelly's and Snug Harbor, right on the bayfront restaurants. And there's Wahoo Willie's. Those are all great restaurants to visit while you're in the town. There's the Smokin' Oyster. And the Yucatan. There's other shopping and dining available on Old San Carlos Blvd, as well as a pizza shop. And here's what's left of the beach pier. All right, continuing on, driving down Old San Carlos Blvd, I'm going to be turning down 3rd Street to the first stop of the first house I'm going to show you. All right, the first stop is going to be right here on 3rd Street. It's going to be 910 3rd Street. It is a new construction house that was recently completed. And it is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath listed for $2.499 million. It is on a canal. Let's take a look at some of the pictures that they have. These are all aerial views. It does come with a nice pool and spa, paver lanai area. It's a nice open concept with a kitchen, dining, and living room all in one space. It looks like tile floors. It looks like the wood grain kind of tile. This is virtually staged. Third Street is a weekly rental road, so you'd be able to rent it out weekly. It would make a great vacation rental in this area. And it's also going to be right close to the redevelopment of the Moss Marine area that are going to be turning it into a 263-room luxury hotel. It's going to have shopping and dining as well as live entertainment. So this is going to be an ideal location that's going to be close to all of that. I'll show you here on the map. So right here it is on 3rd Street, and this is where the luxury hotel is going to be in this area where Moss Marine was at. And it obviously is a walking distance to all of this area of Old San Carlos Blvd. All right, so as I mentioned, it is on a canal here. It's easy access to go right out to the bay area and then go on out to the Gulf. All right, now stop number 2 is here on Matanzas Court. It's 730 Matanzas Court. It's listed for $3.75 million. This is another new construction house. It is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, and it is 2,560 square feet. And it was recently completed in 2024. Again, we start off with an aerial view. This is also on a canal here. It does have a nice pool right on the side section of the lot. It has a nice bar on the ground level by the pool. And this road is a monthly rental road, just so you know. So it can only be rented out once per month, which is a 7-day minimum. So it would not necessarily be a great vacation rental. Again, nice open concept here. It does have some Gulf views to it, at least for now. 3-car garage. Be a great house for entertaining. All right, so as I mentioned, this is on Matanzas Court. It is a monthly road. There are a couple vacant lots listings on this street as well that is available here right on the bay front. Whereas, to give you an example, this one here is listed for $4.25 million for that lot. And the size of that lot is 24,000 square feet. And then that other lot right next to it is also available for sale for $2.9 million, and that one is 16,000 square feet. All right, now to stop number 3. It's another newer construction house listed for $3.975 million. It's located at 661 Estero Blvd. It is 4,248 square feet and is a 5-bedroom, 5-bath. This is located right on Estero Blvd, so this would be considered a weekly rental street. It would make a great vacation rental. It's also located on the canal, so you have the best of both worlds, being on a canal and weekly rentals if you wanted to do that. And this was like a stretch of homes that they did recently of new construction houses. Again, nice pool and spa area and pavered lanai. Another nice open concept with the kitchen and dining and living room. Tray ceilings. Again, for now, you do have Gulf views from this house. It has hardy board siding. which hardy board is a great siding. It's a great product to use, especially here on the coast. It's fire, hurricane, pest resistant. There's very, very many good properties to it. Nice master bath here. Does have an elevator. Here's the pool and spa area again. And it has a TV outside there on the lanai area. Very nice. Oh, it does have a boat lift and dock. All right, so again, that one is listed at $3.975 million. It was built in 2021. Now let's carry on with the tour. And I'm David Piper, Realtor here on Fort Myers Beach. I'm a local homeowner and full-time resident on the island. My website is beachesrealestategroup.com, and you can feel free to reach out to me with any real estate questions here on the island or in Southwest Florida. I look forward to hearing from you.